Itemi-inĩ rĩa kũhũthia mĩhang'o ya gũkinyĩra kĩhooto kũrĩ mũkenya guothe bũrũri-inĩ, thirikari nĩ ĩhingũrĩte ceceni 5 iria ikoragwo na mawakiri a thirikari arĩa matanyĩtwo gũteithĩrĩria mũingĩ.
The legal aid centers will prioritize high need justice areas including land matters, which include boundary disputes, evictions, land fraud, probate and administration, support for widows, orphans, dependents and indigents, and children in conflict with the law.
Nĩ itua rĩtũgĩrĩtio gũkorwo na ũhoti wa kũhũthia matanya ma Kenya ma gũkinyĩra kĩhooto kĩao.
This is something that goes to the heart of the ordinary people. Many of them feel terrorized by the justice system, but by you setting up these legal aid clinics, it's going to go a long way in ensuring that they can access justice and they will feel that the justice system works for them.
Anyiti itemi maugĩte nĩ kĩhooto kĩa gĩgatiba kĩa mũkenya o wothe gũkinyĩrwo nĩ ũtungata wa igoti na kĩhooto.
My appeal is that you also make sure that you set up these centers also in the marginalized communities, not only in Nairobi, in the big towns, but also in the marginalized communities. There are children who are stateless, who are refugees, and are in conflict with the law, and they will need legal aid.
We are more than willing to support and have our input as well for us to put 6 legal aid clinics throughout Mombasa, 1 in every sub-county, and in that way, I think we can be able to do a lot.
Ceceni ici itanyĩtwo kũhingũrwo guothe bũrũri-inĩ kũrĩa ciambĩrĩirie kaunti-inĩ ya Machakos, Kitui na Nairobi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV. Njĩtagwo Maina wa Kĩhara.